Hi guys, my name is Michelle and I create hair, makeup and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Today I want to talk about 5 must-have curly hair accessories. So if that sounds like something that interests you, then keep watching. So, the very first accessory that you absolutely must have if you have textured hair would be a pillowcase, a satin pillowcase. I have 3 varieties to show you guys. The first is a pillowcase that I made. I spent under 100 rupees on this because of course I stitched this myself. All you have to do is buy some satin fabric, use some fabric glue or a needle and thread and stitch yourself a pillowcase, and this will be under 100 rupees. The second option is one that I bought from Amazon. I'll leave all of the prices here on the screen. So in this set you'll get a single pillowcase. The quality of this one is definitely not the best quality silk or satin out there, but I'm very confident that this would last you at least a year or two. Now, if you're looking to make an investment and you're looking for a pillowcase that is going to last you for 5-10 years, then this would be the option. This is from Curlin. The material is super thick. It has gathers along the edges. You get this in a variety of prints from curlin.in. So this is an indie store from Instagram, and this is very thick quality. I feel like this would last you 5-10 years easily. The print is definitely not my favorite, but it comes in a variety of different prints and in self colors. So I'll leave their Instagram handle on the screen and also list it down in the description. You can have a look. I also have a discount code with them, which is Michelle5. So if you use the code, you will get a 5% discount. However, you know how I am about codes. If you are not comfortable using a coupon code, then simply do not use it. The next must-have accessory is a satin bonnet. Now you'll also get these from curlin.in. However, if you're in a pinch and you're looking for a bonnet under 100 rupees, then I have a tutorial on my channel. I'm going to leave that video up here where you can make yourself a DIY bonnet with some satin fabric, a needle and thread, or with fabric glue, and this is going to cost you under 100 rupees. Granted, it is not going to last you years and years and years, but if you're looking to only spend 100 rupees and get yourself a satin bonnet, then this would be a very good option. Now, if you're not comfortable making your own satin bonnet and don't feel comfortable with needle and thread or DIYs in general, then I'll insert some footage of some satin bonnets that you can get from curlin.in right here. Okay, let me give you a little background about the brand. Curlin is owned by Neeti, a second-year student living in Bombay who was not able to afford satin accessories herself. Neeti decided to start her own brand, which aimed at keeping curly accessories affordable without sacrificing on quality. Curlin uses the best quality and most durable satin material available in the market. Working with a team of 3 tailors, Neeti keeps her profit margins super low in an attempt to deliver quality at a price that is reasonable and affordable. Guys, durable is the word that comes to mind when it comes to Curlin. The satin fabric that they use is extremely thick, and I honestly feel like this is going to last you decades. So, if you decide to buy from them, be happy knowing that you've supported a small business that is woman-owned, which is super awesome. Alright, the next thing that is absolutely game-changing, and guys, when I tell you that this has been game-changing in my routine, I cannot express how huge of a difference this has made. I'm talking about a microwavable heat cap. So all you have to do is take this heat cap, put it into a microwave for around half a minute to 1 minute on both sides. So you put it in the microwave like this. All I do is take a plate, put the bonnet on it, put it into the microwave, and then I turn it inside out and then put it in for another minute. But don't put it in for longer than that. 30 seconds to 1 minute is perfectly sufficient. And then when I deep condition, I generally use a plastic cap. Any generic plastic cap would do. I'll leave some that I got from Amazon. I'll leave them linked down in the description. So the first thing that I do is I do like a simple twist up, and then I clip my hair up with a normal claw clip, and then I just use 2 plastic caps and I put it on top of my head. And then after that I go in with this heat cap. So make sure that you're not getting this wet and none of your hair is touching this directly. So you're protecting this with the cap that you use on your head, and you should be good. And the difference that it has made on my hair has been remarkable. I cannot recommend this enough to you guys. I'm speechless. I am taken to another galaxy and back. I'm absolutely mind blown by this product and I cannot recommend it enough. I know this is expensive, but if you can save up or you have like a wish list for your birthday or any occasion coming up, trust me guys, this is an investment that you will not regret. Adding heat to my DC treatments have been game changing for me. Literally, I cannot recommend it enough. The kind of shrinkage, the kind of benefits that I'm reaping just by using this is enough for me to be sold on this item, and I simply cannot recommend this enough. So the next thing that I have to recommend are scrunchies. Now look, you don't have to spend too much money on your scrunchies at all. I have a DIY on how to make your own scrunchies. I'm gonna leave that video up here and also link down in the description. However, if you're not a DIY queen and you don't feel comfortable making your own scrunchies, then I found an indie store on Instagram. Their scrunchies are super inexpensive. I paid 30 rupees a scrunchie. This is what they look like. They come in a variety of shades and prints. They are satin. I have been using these for months. These are washable, so every time I feel like they're getting dirty, I wash them and I use them. I'm very confident in saying that this is going to last you 4 years. And also, if you're able to support a small business, a woman-owned business, then why not, right? They also have these bow scrunchies, which are a little more expensive. However, these are incredibly cute. I use them quite a bit and I really love them. Alright, let me give you a little background about the small store. The small store is run by cousin sisters in their early 20s named Maria and Alvina, who started their business during the lockdown. What started as an indie handmade card store became so much more as time has progressed. The small store now sells scrunchies, bows, satin scarves, jumpers, mugs, cards, and even party props. Again, this is also a very small business owned by women, super affordable, and therefore they definitely deserve your support. And last but not least, let me talk to you about my new curl friend. This is the Pineapple Keeper. This is also from Curlin. I'll leave all of the prices, everything over here on the screen. Let me just show you how I use something like this. So I first take my hair and I put it up in a pineapple. And these come in two varieties. One comes with a Velcro here and this comes without the Velcro. So I went for this one in particular because I did not want that Velcro. I felt like it would be a little uncomfortable for me. Let me just show you how I use this. I just take this like so. And I just push this up. Now let me show you what the deal is. If you feel like wearing this out just like this, then you can absolutely take it and push it down. And this is your little hairdo. You're a curly girl now, which means that you can be as boho as you want. If you feel like walking out the door like this, then girlfriend, by all means go for it. But one word of caution, please don't keep this on your forehead because then the product from your hair is going to transfer to this given enough time, and then it's going to transfer to your forehead and then it's going to cause acne. So my only word of caution would be to wear this up here and don't wear it on your forehead. But guys, this is incredibly cute. Now let me tell you about how I've been wearing this. So I spend a lot of hours editing, right? And mostly when I edit, I'm always on the bed and I'm against the bed rest. And so my curls are always getting squashed. One thing that I do is, I take this, I lift this up, and I push my curls into this. So as you can see, none of my curls are exposed now. And it's very well protected. This comes in a variety of colors, it comes in a variety of shades. I've seen some really cute polka dots as well. And I can tell you now that given enough time, I'm gonna pick this up in so many different colors. Because I feel like this is like a must-have item. Let's say when you're going in a car, when you're traveling, when you don't want your curls to get spoiled. If there's ever a possibility that your curls are gonna get squished, then this is something that is really gonna come in handy. And I can tell you already that this is something that I'm going to be using so much. From the time that I got this, I have not put this down, and I can tell you 100% that this is something that I'm going to use so much. It is extremely loose. So in the beginning, of course, I thought that this is super gimmicky and I might not like it. And I was also a little concerned that this would be really tight and it would flare up my migraines. However, I have not put this down for the last month and I've really enjoyed it. It has not triggered my migraines because it is super loose. You don't feel any pulling or tugging. And so I can absolutely guarantee that you're gonna love it because I'm very picky and choosy with my accessories, but this is something that I did not know that I would like, but I landed up liking so much. And so I feel very confident recommending this to you. Alright, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and gained some value. I'm gonna list everything down in the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more from me, you can follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Michelle and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.